Hello Pioneer, did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comment, PiNetwork to the moon. Check if you have subscribed to Pi News World. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment on this video. PiNetwork celebrates its 6th anniversary, sparking excitement and high expectations within the cryptocurrency community. PiCoin has experienced significant volatility since its mainnet launch, but remains strong, now among the top 12 cryptocurrencies. The possibility of PiCoin being listed on Binance could significantly boost its profile and value. A community vote showed 86% support for PiCoin's listing on Binance, highlighting strong user enthusiasm. Speculation around a price-pegging mechanism with Chainlink could stabilize PiCoin, similar to stablecoins like USDC. Challenges persist, including a pressing migration deadline and technical issues affecting users' Pi holdings. The anniversary on March 14th may serve as a pivotal moment for the PiNetwork, potentially leading to stability and broader recognition. Despite its challenges, the PiNetwork remains committed to its vision of decentralizing finance through cryptocurrency accessibility. The cryptocurrency world is abuzz with anticipation as the 6th anniversary of PiNetwork looms large on the horizon. This digital currency, initially launched with the ambitious goal of decentralizing finance and making cryptocurrency accessible to all through the power of smartphones, has been on a tumultuous yet fascinating journey. The heart-stopping swings PiCoin has experienced since its mainnet debut on February 20, 2025, reveal a volatile but promising course. On its first day, PiCoin dropped from $1.45 to a jaw-dropping 70 cents, only to rally robustly, currently maintaining a value in the vicinity of $1.50 to $1.70. Its recent 20% leap in a single day has catapulted it to become the 12th largest cryptocurrency, outperforming its peers and drawing considerable attention from investors. As March 14th approaches, a date celebrated as Pi Day, the community's expectations are sky-high. Speculation swirls around the possibility of announcements that could reshape the PiNetwork's trajectory. Chief among these is the potential listing on Binance, a move that would significantly elevate its profile. Binance, the behemoth of cryptocurrency exchanges, recently revealed a shift to a co-governance strategy that includes community voting. In this innovative gesture, PiCoin enthusiasts seized the opportunity to express overwhelming support for its addition to the esteemed exchange. This vote, held in February, saw a staggering 86% of nearly 300,000 participants in favor, showcasing a resounding call for recognition. While Binance's stance remains cautiously observant, the community clings to the hope that March 14th will spark transformative developments. Also contributing to the excitement is the speculation of a price-pegging mechanism for PiCoin. This potential link with Chainlink via smart contract code could introduce a newfound stability similar to that seen in stablecoins like USDC. Should these rumors prove true, they could mitigate the fluctuations that have characterized PiCoin, offering a more predictable value proposition to investors. However, the looming deadline for the migration to Mainnet post-KYC verification is a pressing issue. Users encountering technical glitches face the risk of losing significant Pi holdings unless they act swiftly. Despite a grace period extension to March 14th, many are urging for leniency until all issues are resolved. The PiNetwork's path has been fraught with challenges, from delayed launches to transparency concerns, testing the patience and resilience of its pioneers. As we edge closer to March 14th, the cryptocurrency world awaits its next chapter with bated breath. This anniversary could herald a turning point, ushering in newfound stability and recognition for PiCoin. Whatever unfolds, one thing remains certain: the PiNetwork's unwavering vision to democratize access to cryptocurrency continues to inspire its community towards an uncertain but exciting horizon. Don't forget to click like and share this video.